Tawad lang naman ako eh. Tao lang ako para magkamali ng gano'n.
Matagal din siyang nanahimik matapos ang mainit na palitan ng mga pahayag noon ng kanyang ex-girlfriend na si Jeneline Mercado at ng kanyang pamilya. Finally, Patrick Garcia broke his silence para tuldukan na ang mga isyong umiikot sa dahilan ng hiwalayan nila ni Jeneline. Sa sunod-sunod na interview sa aktres, sinabi nito na unti-unti raw niyang napansin na lumalayo ang loob sa kanya ng boyfriend. Naging dahilan din daw ng kanilang laging pag-aaway ang kawalan ng binata ng oras para sa kanya, bagay na pinabulaanan ni Patrick.
Well, there have been efforts on my part to contact her, but apparently she changed her number. So I have no means of trying to get to reach her. I have some efforts and I do the things I have to do, but there are just some times na, I just couldn't make it on time. Nakalimutan ko bilhin, sinasamahan ko siya sa hospital, I buy her the medicine she needs and the vitamins she needs. Kung may mga times na hindi ko nabili or hindi ako nakarating on time, I'm just tao lang ako para magkamali ng gano'n.
Naging usap-usapan din noon na nawawalan na ng tiwala ang aktor kay Jeneline, lalong-lalo na umano patungkol sa kanyang pagiging ama sa ipinagbubuntis ni Jen.
Walang kalipaan. Hindi, never naman ako nawala ng tiwala sa kanya. I mean, from the time we found out she was pregnant, we even told everybody, na, she was pregnant, and from the start naman I knew it was mine. So basically, never naman ako nagduda, never did I point fingers at anybody. And kung may lumabas mo na issue na I was pointing at, that's not true.
Sa napabalitang educational plan at insurance na ipinapirma di umano ng mami ni Patrick kay Jeneline, nangangahulugan lamang daw ito na kahit pahiwalay na sila, handa pa rin daw siyang ituloy ang pagbibigay ng suporta sa kanyang magiging anak.
So basically, it was my plan talaga, and I told her about it, and she knew about that. And then, I told my mom about it, and, because my mom works in an insurance company, siya na yun, kumbaga, went looking for Jen, para masainan lang, gano'n, education niya, secured, wala na kami masyadong problema, as early as now.
Sa ngayon, porsigido si Patrick na magtrabaho para sa kanyang anak. Hindi raw siya pupunta ng US tulad ng unang napabalita.
Hindi dito, I'm staying here. I was supposed to study there, but apparently because I'm having a new show here in Gmail, so I'm deciding to stay first.
Kaya naman very thankful siya sa opportunity na ibinigay sa kanya ng Kapuso Network na maging isa sa cast ng pinakabago nitong telenovela, Ang Babangon Ako at Dudurugin Kita.
Very optimistic and to be working with the powerhouse cast and a very good director, Joel Lamangan. Very honored. I just hope I get to perform the best way I can. Yes, huwag niyong kalimutang supportahan, Babangon Ako at Dudurugin Kita. Malapit na.
With his career in full bloom, hoping pa rin ba si Patrick na magkaayos pa rin sila ni Jeneline? Will he still try to win his ex-girlfriend back?
Well, only time can tell. Let's see, I'm not closing my doors naman. Whatever it is, kung ano man yung gulong nangyari, it still could be fixed. And of course, I'm excited also to see our baby, and of course, I can't wait also. I just hope they give me an opportunity to see our baby if ever lumabas na siya.